Welcome into the crawl space. Today we're going to be fixing this crack right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I'll show you in a little bit. We're going to be using LCR Liquid Concrete Repair Kit. You can buy it on Amazon. They got it at stores. I'll put the link in the description. It's pretty simple. What do we got? 9-step process. Stick around, I'll show you how to use it. Let's go. Quick unboxing here. Double check and make sure you got everything before you leave the store, because I left Menards and I got back to the job and somebody had stole all the ports out of there. So you're going to have 2 resins, an A and B. Then you're going to have 2 injectable resins, some popsicle sticks, and the ports and instructions if you need those. Shouldn't after this video. But there you go. That's what's in the box. Moving right along here, we got part A resin and part B resin. Sort of Bondo-ish here. You're going to mix equal parts of A and B. You're going to want to stir them together. Make sure you have a nice conformed gray. No streaks. We don't want streaks. We're not going streaking through the quad. We're having a nice light gray, smooth color to let you know you got them nice and combined. And here is an example of what you're going to look on the port. You don't want to block the main hole, clearly, so you can inject the liquid in there. And as far as placement goes, you obviously want to get the crack in the center of the port. I got a little example here. Try to keep the camera smooth, but that didn't happen. But you could see the crack in the hole there. And as far as spreading this out, I started with the popsicle stick. I tried to, I'm just going to use the kit in this video. Let's try to make it kit only. Well, that didn't happen because look at it. This is going to take forever. You do it like this. But, you know, I put in an effort. I try to be as good as I could be. But like most classes in high school, I failed crafts. So we need to get ourselves a nice 79-cent plastic spreader dilly whopper to really speed up the process. You're just trying to encapsulate the whole crack, so when you inject, it fills the crack and not shoot all over the wall like this. It doesn't need to be pretty. You're not trying to win an art award. You're just trying to cover the crack, cover the ports. So here we are making the juice that's going to fill the crack. So the first part here, you're going to connect the plunger to the thing in the middle. I don't know, the spinny wheel on the inside. Once you got that, you're going to pump it all the way to the bottom. It's going to break up the foil if it's still stuck there. And all men here, you should be pretty good at this by now. You spent a lot of time doing this when you were younger. Maybe even still now if you're single. Who knows? Ladies, we know how to do it. You just got to pump this for about 1.5 minutes. Or a minute. You just want to make sure you got a little milky substance at the end. Just saying. Then you put the caulk tip on. Get it ready for your caulk gun. But then you fumble. Let the injection begin. So you want to start at the bottom port. Inject. They say to use a firm handshake, grasp, or pressure on the caulk gun. Don't need to go all King Kong on it. But you'll see it start to come out of the port above. It's hard to see in this video, but you'll see it come through. And then you can move up to the next. And just continue on up the ladder. Pump it, pump it, pump it, plug it. Pump it, pump it, pump it, plug it. Is that the next greatest hit? I don't know. Check your Apple Music coming shortly. Once you've plugged them and pumped them all, sit back and enjoy your handiwork. You did it. It wasn't that hard. You didn't have to call Permaseal or US Waterproofing. Get charged up the wazoo. That kit is about $100. Job done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like or comment. Hey, even subscribe. We're coming out with videos more often now. We're doing it. Be a part of the community.